So this is handmade paper, comes from Shishupalli, it's a small NGO. So you put it like this, one quick motion, and you let go of the excess
You just
water.
stick it directly on the wall.
Yeah.
No tape, no nothing.
Nothing. That's the idea of it. You put it up, and you take it out, and then you want to. You don't want a wet paper. You want a damp paper. Do it. We make some pizza. These papers are important. You have to use at least 400 GSM papers. So handmade papers already has this quality, and handmade papers have a lot of soda, so that's why you have to wet it for a while so it kind of dissolves. And because if there's too much soda, it cannot take the oil ink. And I prefer the handmade papers because they have also automatically they have a texture, so sometimes the texture of the thing comes out pretty good. This is regular. Okay, so now we are going to take it out.
The plate?
Yeah, wait. Short little space here. Come. We're going to take out the plate. Before I take out the plate, I open the door as I don't want to get stuck. It's important because then you don't want to move, because if you move, then the dust moves. Do it slowly. Nice coating. That's why you put it like this. And if you see it, see there's a nice even dust coating. You see that?
If you can hold it still.
On the side. So you want to keep it away from your face so you don't blow on it. Achoo! Not a good idea. So this is have to evenly make it. And then just suddenly, very suddenly, it starts to become white. If you take a closer look from this side, go down, and from this side, it's white now. But very slowly, you want to do it from the middle side. Suddenly, just very suddenly, it will become like this thing will become absolutely transparent. Yeah, it's happening. You see? There you go. And this cannot be done in oven because each plate is different and each time the rosin application is different. So it has to be done with hand precisely, so that as soon as it starts becoming transparent, you take it out. See? Yep. There we go. So now we let it stay.
For a while.
Yeah. So it cools down. So the rosin dust becomes stuck.
Okay then.
Okay.
Time for a break.
Time for a break.